In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Select Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and scroll all the way down to access this plus icon. Now you need to click on Caffeine shortcut at the very bottom to add it to your current ones. Hit Done, and last but not least, click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!